146.
Okay.
Texas Department of Transportation, or TxDOT, really cares about workforce development.
194.
This program, the students get the opportunities to get to know all the areas related to transportation. So I saw the call comes out from TxDOT, and I think this is a great opportunity for the students in the Valley.
I always wanted to do something in engineering, so I think this camp is good to explore. I did learn lots of different types, especially in transportation, like for civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical. So far in the camp, it's been very fun. Like, we do a lot of hands-on activities, and I did also get to meet some new people, so I got to make some new friends at the same time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No, you did it too early. No, you did it too early.
I really enjoyed the roller coaster we just did today. It was very fun, and I got to work and collaborate more. It was very hands-on. I really enjoyed it, but since there was so many presentations, I opened my eyes more to environmental studies, so I could work with the engineers and tell them where you could build buildings and bridges, things like that. I feel very secure now.
Yeah.
I did pick up new things I never knew about, especially about the AI and the traffic stuff. I did pick up new information I didn't know before, and I really found that really interesting and very cool. So I really do think I'll keep this, aspect of civil engineering and AI engineering where I want to work when I'm older.
1, 2, 3. That was 161.
So the students really, really love the program, very committed to it, prepare them for their successful career as engineers.